All right guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing, helps us out a ton. Also, we have merchandise now. Go to lineagefactory.com, pick yourself up some, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, we got it all, go check it out. So in today's video, we are going to be walking through my 420 horsepower Evo 10. So to start off, if you want to see what this car looked like before I happened to it, click right there. We'll have a link to our previous walkthrough of this car. So to begin with it, for the exterior, we've got the Voltec style front lip. We've got VLAN headlights with demon eyes in them, so you get the demon eye feature. We've got a Rexpeed carbon fiber hood scoop. The original hood scoop is not forged carbon fiber. It is, just regular carbon fiber. I have since wrapped in forged carbon fiber. Still running on the stock wheels because I think they look good and they match the color scheme that I'm going for quite well. If we move along to the back of the car, I will let my cameraman kind of catch up. But if we move on to the back of the car, I've got just the regular Evo high wing, just to give us some good height. I've also got some Spec D taillights. The wiring on that was an absolute pain, but they turned out fantastic, and I love the way they look, so good. Got the custom license plate because, oof, Evo. And frankly, I think that's gonna wrap it up for the exterior, minus the fact that you can see that this is not the color Octane Blue. This is KPMF's Blue Black Iridescent film. I wrapped this entire car a few weeks ago. I've got forged carbon accents, so I've got forged carbon on the hood, on the wing, on the hood scoop, on the mirror caps. Really just, giving my touch to this car and really happy with how it turned out. If the camera will pick it up, you get a lot of flake in the wrap, and otherwise it just looks like a dark blue or black. So let's go ahead and move on to the interior. All right guys, so now we're in the interior of this car. So as you can see, this ain't factory. So this is actually SiGav 10.2 inch Android screen. Here, I will actually turn on the car. If I can find my keys so we can see what we're dealing with. So it's got full Apple CarPlay, along with all the Android apps. Then we've got a K-Project Samurai Sword shift knob, because why not? Cobb access port for my tune, and other than that, I've got some JL audio speakers and tweeters, and frankly, that about wraps it up for the interior as far as what I've done. I do also have, the boost gauge and an AEM air fuel ratio gauge down in that little cubby hole right there, and then the factory Recaros, because you can't go wrong with factory Recaros. And that'll pretty much wrap it up for the interior of the car. Let's go ahead and move on to performance. Now moving on to performance. As I said, this car puts down, exactly 350 to the wheels, horsepower wise, and then 380 torque. Holy crap, muffins, that's hurting my arm. Cool. So the main points is that the turbo is the stock turbo housing, but it has an upgraded turbine system, so it just spools a lot quicker, makes a little bit more power. So we're making 350 to the wheels and 380 torque. We'll go ahead and throw up a little dyno sheet right here so you can see what it looks like. After that, I've got a custom dyno tune. I've got StopTech brake lines, ID 1050X injectors. I've got a Spec Stage 2 clutch, a Spec aluminum flywheel, a Megan Racing turbo back exhaust with a Amazon special 12-inch catalytic converter, a Forge Type RS recirculation valve, which is our little guy right there, makes all the fun noises. ETS intercooler setup, it's sitting on Öhlins coilovers, and sure I'm missing a few little tiny things, but that's kind of the gist of it when it comes to performance. I absolutely love this car. It's a beast. It'll throw you back in your seat, and it's a freaking Evo, so it's a beautiful car to look at. And I'm sure I'm missing a few other things, but that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for the walkthrough of my 420 horsepower Evo 10. Don't forget that you can actually win this car. We are giving this car away if we hit 125,000 subscribers by the end of February next year, which is 22222. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, share the giveaway photo. All the rules, everything will be in the description below, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. Other than that, make sure to go ahead and pick up some merch and get yourself entered to win this beauty. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all stay original out there. Here, let me turn on the